Y'all, today I became a funded trader, which is so great. Me being in NYC, and I passed the account in one trade, technically two, but let's talk about it. Here's the proof on NinjaTrader, 53,000 on a TST funded account, but let's talk about the trade. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. I when I got on the charts, I don't really go in with the bias, like I say. When I go with the bias is when I lose. So I'm like only looking for sales, only looking for buys. I kind of went into a bias with buys because we tapped into this 1 hour for fair value gap with the liquidity sweep, but also we were going down strong. We have a gap here that needs to be filled, but we're going down really strong. And I broke my rules the last on Monday and Friday and lost like kind of a lot of money. But I've been patient enough now because I've been realizing that you have to wait for that 9:30 candle. 9:30 candle will tell you everything you need. So we got a liquidity sweep, boom, internal. This was the overall liquidity sweep, the point of liquidity from here. And we swept, and usually I get in early, and sometimes it'll go all the way down, wick, and now I lost. But I'm like, wait for a candle close. Because even I realized, like looking back, I went back and I would like get in early, and yes, I would get when it goes my way like this, I would get really good risk to reward. However, if it's going to keep going down, it's not messing up. It doesn't take that many points away. And it's better to like get in when you have a 90 to 100% confirmation versus getting a better entry way up here and then lose. Like losing money, winning money. I don't care if I got in, down here and I win, it's a win, it's not a loss. Versus like you get in way up here, but you lose, you lost money. So I had to get that out of my mind. So candle close here, strong displacement broke this swing low. Basically, these were the swing highs and lows that if we were gonna close above here, keep going higher and rebalance up to like one of these fair value gaps was an option, or keep going down. Once we got this strong, strong candle close, I got in actually like here, and I took it just this one long white candle because once I hit my 3K to be funded, I was like, there's no point, keep going. But the target was this liquidity. So basically, once I saw we were going down, because like I said, my bias was kind of for buys, but like I said, I don't really go into buys. I let the market tell me where it wants to go. I went to like the 1 hour and I'm like, okay, what's T? And then, we have this 1 hour for right gap, then we have this liquidity point here. And then there's liquidity, there's fair value gaps here, and next liquidity here. I went on the 4 hour just to see because, the market to me goes to liquidity every time. Like yes, I with fair value gaps, especially big ones like this, I sometimes will just sell at the bottom because on higher time frames with fair value gaps, it will close below it and then still like keep going higher. It's not like the 5 minute, 15 minute where it will like tap in and go. Like it will close below like this, and this is the still the fill, the fair value gap, and then it will reverse and keep going higher. Or this could keep going lower because we got a full candle close on the 4 hour. So I think we're gonna keep going lower. But like inversion fair value gaps, I don't really take them seriously on higher time frames, more so than like 15 minute and below. So on the 1 hour, sometimes I will just sell at the bottom of the fair value gap, or I'll sell in the middle, but usually it will fill a full fair value gap on the higher time frame. It won't just like tap halfway. However, there was liquidity here. I was confident we were going to. And so that would have been if I was trading like regularly, I would have the trade would have been like this, 1 to 1.5 or something. I tried to do like 1 to 2, 1 to 1.5, but since I waited for this candle close, you still could have done like your 1 to 2, 1 to 2.5. And usually it does. Like once we're past a liquidity point and my entry's bad, I try to just get a 1 to 2, 1 to 2.5 like this. Like, yeah, it can go all the way down here, and it might, but like I said, first liquidity is going to like 90%, 99%. The second one, if it's far, I don't know. If it's too close together like this, I'll usually just have my take profit at the second one. If there's like one here in the middle or one here, it can do it. Especially, and then when there's spaces like this on the 1 hour and 4 hour, that's when you just go back on the 5 minute and 15 minute. There's probably liquidity points in here on the 5 minute that you could target. But yeah, it's one of those trades where like you just wait for it to go. You got a strong displacement candle. I love trades that just run down like this. I just took my money, like I said, but my target was here, this liquidity point. I've been trading this like 9:30 to 9 to 10:30, um, 9:30 candle, but waiting after I had to redo my rules in my journal. I'm gonna make a video on how I journal, about to like redo my rules because I was breaking them like really bad. Um, and yeah, I'm excited. I'm funded now. I am I'm at a point where I kind of want to get more funded accounts before going back to my live account. But part of me is like, no, copy trade, make money. But now I see Kimmel was like, he full ports his funded account. So like, that's a good idea. But obviously if you fail, that money adds up quick. So I like to trade the funded accounts normal for like 2 weeks, and then I full port on like the third week or fourth week. So that's kind of what I did today. I obviously spiraled on Monday and Friday on I've been trading my live account like real money. So I made all my losses back and then spiraled. This was a terrible day. I just got in before 9:30, got in again. Like just did not wait for anything. This one, I took a loss, but took 3 trades versus my second trade was the winner, but I had my stop loss too tight, basically. But we'll talk about that another day. However, I've been journaling it, and I'm gonna do a video on how I journal and how you can journal like this for free without like paying for anything or a back testing site. I'll make a video on that. But yeah, I am a funded trader, y'all. I've been using NinjaTrader. I've been using the trade copier, Replicanto. I love it. Also, I realized when I used the Rhythmic funded account first, thought I was using it. No, it was the NinjaTrader simulator account. I just switched to like a NinjaTrader account on Top Step and then add it with Rhythmic. Whole other thing. But yes. Love NinjaTrader, love Trade Copier, I have a Max, so I use a parallel. And yeah, your girl is funded. So I won't be trading again until next week. Now I'll start back testing live every day starting Tuesday next week, probably 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Western time, which is I'm on Arizona time in Mexico, which is 2 hours behind Eastern time. So it'll be 6 o'clock for me. But yeah, your girl's funded. Love it here. Love it, love it, love it here. Y'all, today I became a funded trader.